UMkhwebane ubefuna ukuthi iNkantolo inqume ukuthi imithetho ezosetshenziswa ekususeni kwakhe kulesikhundla ayikho emthethweni futhi ayihambisani nomthetho-sisekelo wezwe. Waphinde watshela iNkantolo ukuthi imithetho yasePhalamende okwavunyelwana ngayo ngoZibandlela wangonyaka odlule emayelana nokususwa kwenhloko yesikhungo ezivikela umthetho-sisekelo wezwe ayikwazi ukusetshenziswa ekuxoshweni kwakhe. iDA yafaka isicelo sokungabethembi ubuholi bukaMkhwebane kulandela izinqumo zezinkantolo ezehlukene ezachitha imibiko yakhe ethinta iCX kanye neplazi leinkomo zobisi eFrieda. Ngaphansi kwale mithetho emisha kufanele kuhlanganiswe ithimba longoti abazimele abathathu ukuze benze uphenyo ngaphambi kokuhlinzeka isishayamthetho sikazwelonke ngemiphumela yophenyo lwabo. Uma kutholakala ukuthi kunobufakazi obuqotho bokuthi uMkhwebane wehlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe ngendlela efanele, kuyobe sekusungulwa ikomidi lasePhalamende elizophenya bese lihlinzeka isishayamthetho ngeincomo zalo. Ngemva kwalokho amalungu esishayamthetho ayobe sevota.
The public protector advanced a similar argument in the Western Cape High Court, indicating that the interdict would not leave the National Assembly with any irreparable harm, whereas she stood to suffer prejudice and irreparable harm if the process carried on while the review of the rules was underway.
This opens the door for paves the way for the Speaker in Parliament to carry on with the process now of setting up a committee to remove the Public Protector from office. It's entirely her prerogative to do so now within her discretion, and there's nothing that bars her from doing so. So we look forward to that process being instituted.